how are you? My name's Dr. Susan Plank, and we are having the Weight Loss Reboot Summit, the Weight Loss Reboot Summit. That's on Monday. I know you're thinking, why during the week? Hey, Monday the holiday, so you can join us. Join us, okay? Eastern Time, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. this coming Monday, February 19th. Weight Loss Reboot Summit. You got to go to register, weightlossrebootsummit.com. We're going to give you lots of information, why you're frustrated trying to lose weight, what you need to do, what are the steps. 5 excellent, excellent experts, all bringing their knowledge and insights with free prizes and giveaways. So you can't beat it. Come join us Monday, February 19th, 10 a.m. Eastern, but you have to register now. weightlossrebootsummit.com. See you soon. Take care. Bye.